Hello. In this video, I'll show you how to recover deleted conversation on WhatsApp. Now, there are two methods basically how you can do this. So the first option is, if your chat is already backed up, then if you go to the three dots at the top right, then go to settings. Now over here, if you go to the chat section, and then over here scroll down and click on chat backup. And right over here, if your chat is already backed up, then you can recover your data back. But in any case, if the chat is not backed up and somehow the message got deleted, so in that case, you will be needing a recovery tool. So this is the application that I use for my recovery messages, as you can see right over here. So all you need to do is just simply install the application, then open it. Then all you have to do is click on next at the bottom right. Then click on allow. And then just simply give the notification access to this application. So just simply click on allow, then check the box right over here, and then click on OK. And now, when any notification will appear on your device from WhatsApp or any other messaging application, even if it gets deleted from the other end, the message will be saved right over here. So just simply wait for a few seconds over here. Now, again, click on next. And now just simply choose from which application do you want to save the notification of. So all you have to do is just simply scroll down and choose WhatsApp. But before that, make sure to unselect all of the applications, because by default, all the applications will be selected. So if you want to save all the notifications from all the applications, you can obviously do that. But I only want to save the conversations, all the notifications from WhatsApp. So I'm just simply going to enable the WhatsApp applications notification. Now all you have to do is just simply enable the notification option for WhatsApp. And after that, whenever you will receive a message and if it is deleted, the message will be saved on this application. Let me give you a practical example. So I will send a random SMS to my main account, and after that, I will just simply delete it. So now it is deleted for everyone. Now if I go back to my main WhatsApp account, you will find that the WhatsApp is actually deleted right over here as well. Now, if we go back to the application, so all you have to do is open the application. And then, as you can see right over here, the message is saved. So that's it. And thank you for watching. And do like, subscribe to our channel, and take care.